blood flowing from open wounds, my body hanging from the barbed wire fence, my meat tearing from its thorns, my body falling onto the subway tracks as the subway car ravages my body into pieces. Animals attacking me from all sides, ripping me apart. Like my tongue pulled from my mouth, my fingers caught within the table saws. Decapitation, castration. Why am I haunted by these images? My own personal apocalypse.
It's good to see you again, Floyd.
You asked me what was on my mind.
So how are you doing? I'm sorry.
Why are you sorry? For asking me? Is that why you're sorry?
No, not at all.
Well, that's that. It's off my chest now. For the moment, at least. It's a part of you now.
It's been a while.
Should be glad.
No.
You should count your lucky fucking stars.
I missed you.
Missed me? You know what it's been like? What I had to go through since I last saw you?
I'd like to know.
No, you don't, Gretch. I'm lucky to be alive. Is that luck? Sometimes I wonder.
You look good.
Look, Gretch, you don't have to do this.
Do what?
You look good.
I moved back.
Why?
A variety of reasons. My mother's sick.
Sounds like the main reason.
It's up there.
She was a good woman, your mother. She'd always used to come and visit you. And me. She always used to bring me something.
So did your mom.
No, she didn't. Christ, I've been institutionalized so much that the novelty wore off long before that.
She'd always used to bring Cokes. You had vanilla, and I had...
Cherry Coke. Hated vanilla.
Until I finally tried it.
And you loved it.
Seemed to be like that with everything.
She was a good woman, your mother.
In fact, I think I have some vanilla. I'm sure I have Coke. I could go get it.
You really look good, Gretch.
I feel good.
Really. That's good.
Yeah. It's her heart. Mother always had problems with her heart.
She has a good heart, though, your mother.
Physically, I mean.
She was always so good to me.
Can I offer you anything?
Your mind.
What?
It feels okay.
My mind? It's a nice place these days.
How did you do it?
Do what?
Get yourself together.
Time?
Time. Don't make me laugh.
Why?
I don't know. Maybe we have different perceptions on the idea of time. Maybe there's just not enough space in my time, so therefore it doesn't move. Because that's what it feels like.
Floyd, why do you...
We were in the same place, at the same time. One equally as fucked up as the other.
We had different illnesses.
We were diagnosed with the same thing. Our illnesses are what brought us together. Time. I've been in and out of institutions for the past 15 years. Have you? Well, have you?
No.
No. So, are you still on your medications? Answer me. Are you still on your medications, or did they up it? Did they up the dosage?
No, they didn't.
Why didn't they?
Because I'm not taking medication anymore.
All right. So tell me, your mind's such a nice place these days, such a goddamn resort area.
Look, I'm sorry if you're upset,
I'm
but...
not upset. I'm just speaking loudly. I'm not as upset as I sound.
You sound...
What do I sound like?
Like you're upset because...
Because what?
Because I'm better.
That's not true.
That's what it sounds like.
Don't listen to what it sounds like!
What do you mean don't listen to what it sounds like?
Because I didn't mean it that way. My God, you have that same look on your face.
What look?
That they do.
Who? Who the hell are you talking about?
They'd have this look on their face, and we'd imitate it. And make fun of them. And now you have that same look on your face. In your eyes. In your tone of voice.
My voice.
That condescending voice!
Look, Floyd, I'm sorry if you feel that...
Why are you sorry? Nothing to be sorry for.
I can be sorry. I can be sorry for anything I want to feel sorry for.
I shouldn't be acting this way with you.
I understand.
Do you? You look great, you sound great, and you feel great. Is that why you're sorry?
And I'm sorry I left.
Well,
And that I never wrote or called you.
wherever you went, it did you good. Perhaps I should check into going there. Listen to me, Gretch, as if there's a place that can fix things. Hotel Sanity. Listen, it's gotten very bad for me. I can't go on subway platforms anymore. I can't look at knives and imagine myself using them. I can't cross the street anymore. In fact, some days I have to run in the opposite direction. Do you know what it's like to just stand there, paralyzed, and see old people, children, and animals cross the street? And there I am, standing, paralyzed, can't move, and in fact, some days I can't even leave the house.
What does the doctor say?
Sick of hearing it. You know how they get when you tell them the same story over and over and over again? They just get bored and look right through you.
I don't know what to say.
You used to know exactly what to say. You used to feel so happy that somebody else felt the same way that you did.
God, I'm so removed from that state of mind then. Then you'll say something, and I'll remember, like what you just said. How I used to get excited when we talk. I used to feel so much comfort knowing I wasn't the only one.
I miss that.
I'm afraid of the things that you say.
You didn't used to be.
I put it behind me. I never want to go back there again.
You were slicing your wrists every other week.
Horizontally, not vertically.
You were... They were repainting your room. They were always repainting your room.
I always conveniently missed my pulse.
You attempted it. Telling me you didn't?
Doesn't matter anymore.
For posterity's sake.
Yes, I attempted it, but
No buts. There are no buts. No buts. So tell me, do you still see things like, remember the little people? They get into your head and tell you to do things?
I don't hear them anymore.
Do you still see the hands that would come up from under the bed?
They stopped.
Do you still forget to breathe?
No,
Sometimes you do, right?
never.
Do you still make yourself throw up after every meal?
I'm sorry.
What about how we used to comfort each other back at the hospital? Do you forget that?
Of course not.
We were sick together.
Remember how we thought we were aliens?
How we just couldn't fit?
Fit now, Floyd.
Despite how I'm acting. I'm actually very happy for you.
Let me make you that vanilla Coke. We have a lot of catching up to do. I can't believe how stubborn I was never trying it as much as you bug me. Then I finally try it and I'm addicted to it. I swear I'm like that with everything. Avocados, yogurt. I'm like, no. Then I can't stop eating it. Think of how many things that I missed out on. Floyd? Floyd?